Welcome viewers. Today I'll be presenting a lecture talk on enzymes lock and key model. Okay. So in this lock and key model, you're going to get question like this. Give a brief account of lock and key theory of enzyme substrate interaction. Okay. For an enzyme catalyzed reaction to take place, the enzyme has to combine with the substrate to form enzyme substrate complex. In short, we'll say ES complex. Okay, the ES complex then breaks down to yield product releasing free enzymes. In order to explain the formation of enzyme substrate complex, Fisher in the year 1894 proposed a theory called lock and key model. Okay, according to lock and key model, the active site of the enzyme has rigid shape, okay, whose structure is complementary to the structure of the substrate. The substrate which has right structure can fit into the active site like the key fit into a lock, okay, is known as lock and key model. This theory explains the formation of enzyme substrate complex of the enzymes which have absolute specificity. Okay, when we take the specificity exhibited by the enzymes, we can also recall group specificity and stereo specificity. I've explained all those specificity in my previous video. You can have a look. Whereas this particular enzyme substrate complex of the enzymes which have absolute specificity. Okay, whereas you can see here, this is the enzyme, this is the active site. Okay, this active site which match with this particular substrate, so this will be the good substrate, whereas this substrate which do not match with the structure of the this particular active site of the enzyme, right, this will not match, so you can say this is the bad substrate. To conclude lock and key model, this lock and key model was proposed by Emil Fischer in the year 1894. Okay, the active site on the surface of the enzymes with its shape complementary to that of the substrate. The enzyme acts as key while substrate acts as the lock. This hypothesis explains specificity of enzyme, right? See, they are very complementary to each other. If they're not complementary to each other, then this will be the bad substrate and this would not fit into the active site of the enzyme. The structure of enzyme remains unchanged after reaction. Okay, a change in the structure of the enzyme lead to the substrate not to be able to fit into the enzyme. The enzyme has to maintain this particular original structure, right? This model, however, fails to explain the stabilization of the transition state that enzymes achieve. Okay, so this is all about the lock and key model of the enzyme. Hope I made myself clear to you. Happy learning. I look forward to see you in my next video. Thank you everyone for watching. I, Dr. Pratibha K, signing out for today. Stay tuned with me. I'll be back with some more videos. Thank you for watching.